Hello everybody, my name is Theoharis Katranis, and in this short video I'm going to show you how we can promote our business with Facebook groups. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to, this is let's say this is my own profile, but there are some groups that I already gave to some of the members of our team, and they already have it on an email that I send them. Or you can find your own groups in Facebook that you can advertise for free. So this is one that you can also join, and you can start doing what I'm going to show you just in a few minutes. So this group is called Facebook Groups Online Marketing Oops. This is how this group is called. So what we have to do, we just find this group, we send, we ask to join, and because in these groups everybody is allowed to advertise his business, what we do, we come here. This is the group. We first of all we have to choose a photo, so we click here where it says photo. Okay, in order to upload the photo, we are going to go and find a picture that we have with our somewhere in our computer. So we can choose that picture, and of course to upload that picture in this video. Just a moment. Photos for posting. Let's say this one here. I have to move my so as you see, this is now the photo is loading. So what I have to do, the only thing I have to, what I'm writing is just one simple sentence. This is business opportunity. Work, because we are talking, this is a real job. Work and earn real physical gold, 24 carats. And then under type, for example, type how. What I do most of the times, I just change this last word in how or info or goal, because I post in many groups and I would like to know from which groups the customers are coming. So simple as that. Business opportunity, work and earn real physical gold, 24 carats, type how. And what I'm doing, I just click post, nothing else. So you will notice in a few minutes, not even a few seconds, that my advert is already in this group. So this group consists of about, let me tell you the number, 105,000 people. Do you think that some people will not interested when they see this picture and some of the words? That's it, nothing else. The same thing I'm doing for the next group. So I'm just copying this now, Control C from our keyboard, just to copy. I have another group ready, so I'm also registered in this group. This group is 346,000 people. So again, I'm going to just write the same wording. Okay, and I'm going to choose to add the picture. There is a little bit delay because of the I'm recording also this video. So again, I'm going to get this picture. I'm here, so I am selecting the picture just to upload on this group here. So instead of how, now I will write, for example, type info. So if it comes from, if I get customers from this group, it means that this group maybe is working better. Okay, so again, what I do, business opportunity, work and then real physical gold 24 carats, type info. The less is more. You have to remember this. And again, I just click to post, and this post again is already uploaded to this group of 346,000. So now I will be waiting. For this to see what happened. All right. So this is how we can promote our business. It doesn't take much, but it is very important to be consistent. It means that we have to do our posts on a daily basis. It doesn't matter 2, 3, 4, 5 posts, because the more times people see it, the more they're interested. By statistics, most of us, we have to see something 7 times. On the 7th time, then we see it. Most of the times we don't see. We can see it. We have to see it many times in order to understand it, in order to get it, to realize it. Okay. So this is a way that we can promote our business. So just take the chance and just follow my advices, and believe me, you're gonna have really good results. Well, thank you very much for your time once more, and we continue with more training in the days to come. All the best and take care. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Ciao.